Hello everyone, welcome to the Last Street Decoded. I promise friends, I'll create a proper introduction video soon. But I couldn't wait to get started. So today we begin with an in-depth daily market analysis video. I have an exciting roadmap planned for you all, filled with valuable content, learning opportunities, and engaging insights. Stay tuned for more as we embark on this incredible journey together. So friends, today's Nifty closing has come at 23,155, which is 130 points higher than the previous day low or day close. Yesterday, we saw a massive candle that broke both the high and the low of last 5 days. This is the bearish Marubozu candle, which opened at high and managed to go below the lows of last 5 trading sessions. Now look at today's candle. Today, we did not go below yesterday's low, but a small decent candle has formed. However, a good candle means something only when the previous large candle is covered at least 50%. Until that happens, don't assume the formation of a strong candle here. So दोस्तों हम बेसिकली अच्छा कैंडल कब मानते हैं अगर ये बेरिश मारुबुजू कैंडल है इसके 50% लेंथ और 50-60% लेंथ के ऊपर अगर ये क्लोज देता तो वी कुड हैव कंसीडर्ड दिस अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश कैंडल बट दिस इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल हैमर कैंडल व्हिच इज फॉर्म्ड. इट कैन बी कॉल्ड एज इनसाइड कैंडल. इनसाइड कैंडल क्या है, हैमर कैंडल क्या है, वो हम इन डेप्थ में कवर करेंगे कमिंग वीडियोस में. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. So after the significant consolidation at the lower ends, we closed slightly higher today. That is 130 points, as I mentioned, above Nifty's previous closing. This hammer candle basically the importance of hammer candle is realized when it forms formed after a continuous downtrend. So अगर ये continuous downtrend आता और यहाँ पे अगर hammer candle होता and the following candle if it closes the high of that hammer candle तो हम उसे strong candle बोल सकते थे और we could expect some reversal. Also note that yesterday's low hasn't been broken yet. So keep this in mind. If yesterday's low is broken in tomorrow's session, then the next downside levels to watch will be 23,055. Probably it might take some support there. And then below that, there's a support in the range which is formed from 22,666 to 22,890. ये 200 पॉइंट का जो नीचे रेंज है वहां पे निफ्टी सपोर्ट ले सकता है. So if Nifty closes below this range, अगर निफ्टी क्लोज कर रहा है then these levels are likely to be watched and tested. So I would like to emphasize at this point, if there is a breakdown, जो कल हुआ था, if there is a breakdown of long time consolidation, the market must trade below the breakdown levels the next day. इसके नीचे हमें ट्रेड करना चाहिए था, बट जैसे कि आज हुआ, if it doesn't or holds above, you need to wait. If it holds above, we need to wait until it breaks below to confirm the momentum. सो अभी हमें वेट करना है इसका लो ब्रेक होता है या इसका हाई ब्रेक होता है. सो इसके ऊपर इसका हाई ब्रेक होने के बाद भी अगर ये 50% मतलब कवर कर रहा है देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम अपसाइड मोमेंटम. और इसका लो ब्रेक होता है देन डेफिनेटली वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम डाउनवर्ड्स पैनिक सेलिंग. सो नाउ लेट्स एनालाइज द 15 मिनट चार्ट एंड सी कल मार्केट कैसे मोमेंटम कर सकता है. सो कल निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी भी है. So there can be a volatile session, there can be nice momentum as well. So let's switch to 15 minute chart and 15 minutes chart में ये actually nice range बना हुआ है यहाँ पे. I'll show you. Yes, we can observe that observe a range where Nifty has been taking support. ये it's approximately around 23,160 levels. If I draw a line here, it is around 23,160 levels. Where Nifty has been taking support for like 7-8 days. And during today or yesterday's session, it broke down. There was significant volatility here. The market initially dropped sharply, it recovered and then fell again before closing near the day's low. Basically उस रेंज के नीचे क्लोज दिया जैसे मैंने कहा. अगर ये आज नीचे कंटिन्यू होता तो अगेन पैनिक सेलिंग होता, बट इट मैनेज टू it didn't break the low and it managed to be sideways. थोड़ा मोमेंटम मिला हमें यहाँ पे, so I'll show you. 1 minute. enlarge it, और ये हमारा 160 का रेंज है, और यहाँ पे इनिशियल मॉर्निंग हाफ में यहाँ पे साइडवेज जाने के बाद अच्छा ब्रेकडाउन हुआ, एंड वी कुड हैव कैप्चर्ड दिस पॉइंट्स. अच्छा ब्रेकडाउन हुआ है. So, but it didn't break yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was somewhere around 22,980, but low break नहीं हुआ है. So the market initially dropped again. Today's session में spent some time consolidating, moved back to day low, and before recovering slightly and closing slightly higher. बाद में ये recover हुआ और high मतलब day high पे close दिया है. However, note that this earlier support zone is now acting as a resistance. This range, if I mark it here, if we mark this range, this will now act as resistance. And today's closing was near these levels. थोड़ा ऊपर ही close दिया, but it was near these levels. So for a sharp recovery or a short-coming move, the following criteria or conditions must be met. So let's discuss them. The market should open within the range. So यहाँ पे market ने range form किया है. I would delete this markings, और यहाँ पे again we'll mark this levels around 23,100 से 160 तक. यहाँ पे मार्केट ने रेंज फॉर्म किया है. सो कल मार्केट अगर इसी रेंज में ओपन होता है, इसी रेंज में ओपन होके आफ्टर कंसोलिडेशन, आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग सम टाइम हियर, इफ इट ब्रेक्स above this range, then we could see a sharp upside move, because कल expiry है, volatility रह सकती है, and the first resistance will be around 23,280. Next resistance would the following resistance would come at around 23,350, and the third and the last resistance on this levels, which is the day high of this range or the high of this range, will be nearing around 23 430. If you mark it here, 23,050, 23,280, और थर्ड रेजिस्टेंस हमारा होगा 23,430. सो ये लेवल्स हम कल वॉच करेंगे, देखते हैं कल कैसा मोमेंटम आता है. एंड इफ इट ओपन्स गैप अप, इफ इट ओपन समवेयर गैप अप, यहाँ पे कुछ आ रहा है, तो अगर ये नीचे आके यहाँ पे सपोर्ट ले रहा है, प्राइस एक्शन बना रहा है, then we can plan something. If it opens gap down, if there's a gap down opening, then monitor for a panic selling scenario only after the range breakdown. अगर ये gap down होने के बाद यहाँ पे consolidate करके ये breakdown कर रहा है, then we can expect a nice momentum only after confirmation. यहाँ पे प्राइस एक्शन बनाने के बाद थोड़ा 5 मिनट 15 मिनट यहाँ पे होल्ड करने के बाद अगर मोमेंटम कैरी हो रहा है तो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ मोमेंटम. लेवल्स हमने बता दिए है. So the first downside level we are expecting is 23,055, 23,055. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट रहेगा हमारा 22,980. यस, 22,980 जो कि कल का लो है. 23,055 is this swing. कल का लो will act as again support, and ये भी ब्रेक हुआ तो possibly 22,911 तक हम आ सकते हैं. These are the levels to watch. So I would insist, guys, avoid rushing into trades during the initial 5 minutes. Let the market settle, and according to our scenarios, according to our condition, देखते हैं market कहाँ momentum करेगा. Remember, it's not necessary to trade every day or every move. Trade only the moves you understand. Out of maybe 10 trading sessions, you might find like 7 or 8 days where the setup aligns with your strategy. Don't force trades on the days where the setup isn't clear, or आपको अगर कंफ्यूजन है तो आई वुड इंसिस्ट आप ट्रेड मत करो उस दिन, और एल्स आप ट्रैप हो सकते हो. So before we wrap up, I want to hear from you guys, like what are your expectations from this channel? What type of content would you like to see? Like basic stock market concepts, trading strategies, or something else? हमने तो बहुत कुछ प्लान किया है. विल आपके लिए बहुत कुछ लेके आएंगे. And also which language would you prefer on the for the content, Hindi or English? So let me know in the comment section. Your feedback will help us to shape this channel. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dalal Street Decoded. So together, let's decode the stock market and make smarter financial decisions. See you in the next video. Thank you, guys.